Noor Centre of Education brings you the most advanced online coaching program. This program offers online coaching for Noorian Kids School, Noorian High School and Noorian College. As prerequisite, you will have to register at Noor Centre of Education LMS. Once your account is verified, we will send you username and password, and by logging into our LMS system you can find online lectures schedule, exercises, lecture videos, results, tracking and reporting. Teacher online program is also introduced, where you can contact with your relevant subject teachers from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. for your queries regarding your lecture or any other requirement. This online coaching program encompasses complete curriculum coaching from playgroup to primary for Noorian Kids School and from 6th class to matric for Noorian High School in separate modules. We also invite first year, 9th and 10th class students for free online registration by downloading registration form and online submission for enrollment. Registered students will be updated about their class schedules through SMS, emails, or calls. Noor Centre of Education believes in providing fair opportunities for every student, so keeping the flag high during this challenging time, we are offering free bags, books, and uniforms from playgroup to FSC for every new admission. Stay home, stay positive, stay connected.